So we're in Steamboat and the village looks like Switzerland except in Colorado. So beautiful. The Red Rock Amphitheater. Beautiful, isn't it?
It is. It's very red. I like it. The rocks are so unusual. I've never seen any rocks like this before.
So downtown Denver is over there.
We just don't want to. That's what I was gonna say. Y'all with dogs are different. We can do it.
Yeah, well, yeah, the cops can jump.
So it seems like a lot of people use this theater in the daytime to work out. Which is kind of cool. Now I'm local.
No, this is too easy for me. I mean, I'm just waiting for something a bit more challenging. Can you boost me up?
Hi.
How are you? Just lounging on the Red Rock. Not bad, not bad. Nice little shade. Nice view.
People want to chase them, and moose are the most aggressive. Yeah, it's a bad idea.
I did not know that they were aggressive.
They can be. The theory is that wolves are their natural enemies, and so if you're walking with your dog, think the dog is a wolf.
You're pretty good, little buddy.
He'll hunt mice and voles. You know, voles a little bit bigger than a mouse. And they actually do quite a bit of damage to the lawn.
Well, that's a neat camera.
Andrew showed me the drone footage he took from the
Oh, he did?
Yeah.
How does the house look?
It's great. It's, you know.
You can see the driveway, it's black, and everything else is white.
Smack your heel nice and hard. Nice and hard. Whack.
One more time and keep your toe pointed up.
I think the other arm was better. I'm sorry. My toes feel like sort of fine. So behind me is night skiing at Steamboat. This is our first night here, and Jackie and Chris just got their rentals and ski boots. They have their lesson tomorrow. We'll see how they do. All right. They're done. All dressed. The first time skiing. Do you want to try a hockey stop?
Go, Chris!
That's where I can't stop. That's what I'm worried about.
Yay, Steamboat!
We're at the top of the mountain, and the trees look very different up here. Jackie is doing awesome. A lot better than Andrew and I did our first day, that's for sure.
So in one word or two, how was your first day?
3 words. Fun but tiring.
I knew you guys would love it. Come here, great time. So we're on our way to Strawberry Park Hot Springs. We just paid our admission fee. Now there's a little hike to actually get there. It's pretty muddy, but it's not too bad. I was expecting the drive to be a lot worse. We need 4-wheel drive, plus either snow tires or chains on your tires, but we handled it fine. We were driving a Chevy Tahoe with four-wheel drive.
So nice. It's very warm, yet we are surrounded by snow everywhere. Such a cool experience. You did it!
It's cold, but it's really refreshing. It's actually nice.
Refreshing?
Yeah.
Are you nuts?
No, it's nice, but it's hard to breathe.
I'm all ready to walk around downtown Steamboat. Got my hat, my Colorado hat, the sea.
Just stay on River Road all the way to downtown, and you'll see Howelson Hill, the ski jumps, and the ski area, other ski area there. And you make the first right-hand turn on 5th Street. There's a bridge that goes over the river. That takes you to downtown. And then you can park, anywhere down there.
We're in downtown Steamboat and we're trying to find a place to have dinner. And we're also exploring, so we're just kind of walking around.
And we're seeing that now. Here's radar through the morning. Very impressive. The storm's got heavy amounts of moisture with it, and this is going to be the case all the way through lunch, into the afternoon, and into the evening hours before it winds down tonight.
This is our car. We're parked next to a wiener.
Of our extra day in Denver, so we're going to the Denver Museum of Nature and Science. This is one of Jupiter's moons, Io. The warmer parts of your body give off more infrared light, so they're almost glowing whitish on the screen.
So my brain is like red hot. This is the actual flask used in the Stanley Miller and Harold Urey experiment.
It's a big moose.
Now we have antlers.
Now we have antlers. Oh, I have antlers?
Yeah.
Does it look like I have antlers?
Yeah.